What's loaded in your AR-15 right now might save your life or put your family at risk. As a former 160th SOAR flight medic and current nurse practitioner, I've seen real-world consequences when people trust the wrong ammo. Today, I'm exposing the 5 AR-15 ammo mistakes that could get you killed and the 5 brands I trust with my life in 2025. Mistake number 1. Using range ammo for home defense. I see it all the time. People load up with cheap FMJ because it's affordable. Here's the problem. FMJ overpenetrates, blasting through drywall and maybe even into your neighbor's house. In a suburban setting, that's a lawsuit or a tragedy waiting to happen. Training? Stick with affordable FMJ from PMC Bronze or Federal American Eagle. Defense? Go for rounds designed for controlled expansion, like Hornady Critical Defense or Federal HST. The difference isn't just performance, it's about protecting innocent lives. Mistake 2, assuming any ammo will work in your rifle. Every AR-15 is a little different. Gas system, chamber, even magazines. I've seen expensive self-defense ammo choke in a real emergency. Solution: run at least 50 rounds of your chosen defensive load, be it Winchester Silver Tip or Hornady Black, through your rifle. Check for feeding, ejection, and accuracy. If it doesn't run 100%, ditch it. Your life's worth more than a box of ammo. Mistake 3, trusting bargain bin ammo for serious use. I get it. Ammo's expensive, but I've seen cracked cases, dead primers, and inconsistent powder charges from low-grade manufacturers. That's not just a dud at the range, that's a disaster in a crisis. The 5 brands I trust: Hornady, Federal Premium, Winchester, PMC, and Fiocchi have military-grade quality control. Hornady's Frontier line uses military components. PMC is built to South Korean military specs. Federal supplies law enforcement. These are the names that keep you safe. Mistake 4, wrong bullet weight for your barrel's twist rate. Most modern AR-15s run a 1.7 or 1.8 twist, built for heavier bullets. If you're shooting 55 grain in a 1.7, you're leaving accuracy and stopping power on the table. For most setups, 62 grain to 77 grain bullets are your sweet spot. Try Federal's 62 grain Fusion MSR, Hornady's 75 grain BTHP, or Winchester's 64 grain PowerPoint. You'll see tighter groups and better terminal performance. Mistake 5, improper storage. I've seen ammo stored in humid basements turn into corroded, unreliable junk. That's a malfunction waiting to happen. Fix: store ammo in airtight containers with desiccants. Keep it cool, dry, and rotate your stock. Use the oldest first and replace your defensive ammo yearly, because you should be training with it anyway. So which brands have earned a permanent spot in my ammo cans? Hornady. Their black line is optimized for ARs. Critical Defense is my go-to for home protection. Federal Premium, gold metal primers, clean powders, and the HST line trusted by law enforcement. Winchester, the USA line for training, Silver Tip for defense, and Deer Season XP for hunting. PMC, military spec manufacturing, especially their bronze and X-Tac lines, great for bulk prepping. Fiocchi, Italian precision, now made in Missouri. Their range dynamics offers accuracy at a great price. All 5 brands are battle-tested, reliable, and available in the U.S. right now. All 5 brands are battle-tested, reliable, and available in the U.S. right now. Which ammo do you trust in your AR-15? Drop your favorite brand in the comments. If you learned something today, hit subscribe. We're building a community of suburban families who take preparedness seriously. And don't miss next week's video, 5 biggest first aid kit mistakes. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay prepared.